So my people, me have some things me I go share with Uno because from what you hear Rosealee I feel it on TikTok my people. Me not like she a feel it to a level where it's like she frustrated. You see me? So King Donia, you know, and Rosealee they on live my people, and King Donia have some things to say to Rosealee because I don't know say Rosealee is a person where she go hard when it come to certain argument and send up people where she want to send them up on something. So King Donia kind of warn her in a little bit, and you know what I mean, after what happened to Naya and them with it, him kind of tell her something. So me have that for share with Uno, right? I also have a little video with this youth here, you know what I mean, when him sitting on the league, right, where him expose a popular person. But guess what? Me not go call on him, seeing if you know, you know what I mean? Also, my people, me have a video where, boy, it look like say the interview where Dawg do. Me not lie, my people, him ruffle some feathers. You see me I say? And some people come out, you know what I mean, to talk how them feel about him and what him say in the interview. And it's like them I say, when him get, you know what I mean, the knockings, him did come out nice and decent, but now him a get back to him old self and a diss up people and them weird it. You understand what I say? So we are going to get in at that, my people, and share it with Uno and more. So we are going to kick it off with Rosealee and King Donia, and then we get in at the rest.
Yeah, I'm careful what I say to people because we can take things and you know if you say go and we'll have to have and play. If you ask them to take it different, so don't disrespect them. Yeah, if you ask them and the people in the comment section, allow them because them and take everything personal. I don't want nothing to do, you know. Or nobody else, you know, nothing to nobody else on TikTok.
But that piece of story take me last night. See me, huh? When I this
yeah, tell us to run it up. You know what deal?
Mr. Emoji.
Me send emoji, me don't want to come down.
Mr. Emoji, me say, Mr. Well, I say, me can't get one globe. I say, but me say hello, bye-bye.
No, thank you, sir. I am look. I'm already, so you have to be careful, you know.
Don't I do it, coming on, look over here for 1 year.
Me see everything, you know, me see everything.
Look what in class me last week. Me know my mouth. 4 rows.
Boy. We just don't want nothing there, because there's nothing to anybody else. Me I come after this, you know. No both to know about me. I've another work, can't go, you know.
Me not have no more, so me don't want nothing to me.
Well, you have got dead over this blood clot. Russ! They're not give redundancy for this bomber curtain.
What is a chat? Guys, you know, you should play fast people there, so.
We are fly out. You're fucking idiot. You make it play left, yo. Oh, Jesus, no. Alex. Yeah.
That is what you're going to look cute. I have tried for 100K. We got bleach again tonight. 100K, man, but we got bleach. Big nothing. But I love so much crowd, you know?
Yeah, crowd over there, Russ.
We're 1.5.
No, remember say, me and you start, so when they see we are reason, they will stop and listen to what we are talking about. But just tell them, so not really, we not talk nobody business. Not really, we not.
No, we not do the mix up.
Yeah, let them know that.
Bar!
Rosalie. You know, me not say nothing.
Bar!
I am an call. Eh?
No?
Oh. I'll be at 3 o'clock on the time the man come in now.
Yeah, but I don't know if you do with me. The goat say, check him a text, sir. Donkey, sorry.
Hello!
So I want to send a message out to Donkey, what have you do with me? Catch up with him. Come like a mascot, me bird car. Can't call her anything. She's mine.
Me can come now and say, maybe I likes them love likes.
It's just annoying if you know say you only take the rose from Destiny. But you take the lion from Perry. Like me just not get it.
And I just the interview when I answer the interview and then after when today for initial one time did I talk about the Naya situation with Naya's death. And I say, well, maybe it can't say well this say, but him just get so bitter and over exaggerate with them and say and him all them because something or whatever. Him couldn't just say, alright, man pray bad prayer for me and say whatever. Somebody say about the same thing.
Virgo, I strongly believe it's a class thing.
Yes.
We don't want to admit it, but there is some gaming on the app,
But
and there's some batting on the app.
You know?
And there's a difference.
You know, the thing about it is these people not going ever lick out against World Dawg them and stuff like that because them think if them act like them behavior, them are gonna get popular too.
Alright, mother, take me down. Thank
if
you.
you notice, World Dawg come on the other day and him humble himself and I saw him learn him lesson and him tell Jayden say, don't F up like how me F up because of me F up my own thing. But if you pay attention, World Dawg will get hype again.
You mean say won't give me, thank you, sorry.
World Dawg will get hype again and at these people again. Remember, so World Dawg say, him depend up at these people and things and him people them start to draw back and block up.
Alright, so my people, when it come to World Dawg and what him say about Naya, me always say this in my video them. You can't say something to a person and tell them what to say back to you. You know what I mean? Or to respond to what you say. Him feel some type of way about when him did get knocked up and Naya say whatever him say. Right? Him did feel some type of way, but me personally, you know what I mean? Me would like maybe say what him say, but he's a man who just talk how him feel and I just say him stay and we are supposed to know how him stay by now. Right? Although him not say nothing real bad still, you know. Him just say something where people don't like and people think him should have never say. Seeing that, you know what I mean, the G gone and now come back. Right? But that's just an example to other people say, yo, all if you know deal with a person, if you don't have nothing good to say, just don't say nothing at all. You understand me? Just don't say nothing at all. Simple as that. You see me? So I just desert them people. I want to tell me what they think in the comment section because them are going to say some things about Sicily and also Jamaican state. Them are going to always remind you which part you come from. All when you reach the highest heights, them are going to always remind you which part you come from. You see me I say? So make you watch some more.
People get tired of you after a while and tired of your behavior. But if you pay attention, World Dawg is at it again. him start to diss people again because what? He's back on the app and he's up and running again, and the people them are gifting and him back to him, dancing and getting gifts and stuff like that. And these people are so hypocritical because you gonna Swiss-Lee can wear a crop top and they talk about it for 5 minutes, but if anybody else them would have never stop burn out the people them, and Swiss-Lee can come on there afterwards and talk about poor people, and Swiss-Lee forget say he made a cook on one cold stove in a pan in floor, which I'm not discriminating or dissing them, I'm just speaking just because they have to remember where they're coming from. And every time I come on Macy Live, me say this, enough of us sit down over here, when I wouldn't even tap our Macy screen, and not tap our screen, when not send her one liquor donut or anything. But some of you, same one in the comments, going go over them live the later, and just because you don't want to be able to type, when you go and send them on the last $1 into a gift. And when they're having any conversation, which they normally don't, all them come on and do is play matches. But if just in case they're having a conversation, some of we with the little 17 badge and the 20 badge, we can't dare type and ask to come up in a them box. But if you put a request in for Macy, she's gonna let you in her box, whether she bring whatever you say or not. But we're over here and we can't even tap the screen, but you know, we're too hypocritical. It doesn't matter if Macy is as popular, because Macy popular. A long time I watch Macy. I must stop being hypocritical like that, because
Cutie,
so
Cutie, you don't know where you talk, say. Cutie, you don't have no idea where you talk, say. Come on, want to know if you could impossible. Look on Quiet Perry and set up and say that a statement there. Because look, you know what? We're going to skip past that. Because obvious.
Look now. Listen now, we have to agree to disagree. But honestly, Tanya, you're gone. Honestly, listen. This is my opinion, guys. This is just my opinion. I don't think it's a class thing, you know. I do not think it's a class thing. I think it's a money thing. I think it's a money thing. The same way, if you as a person come on them live and them watch your badge number, for see where your badge number there, and them use it to judge you, for know if you have it yes or no. And you can't use a person's badge number for dictate, say them have money, so you come and say some people send them last. So it's a money thing. And if it's a money thing, that means it's a two-edged sword. And that means you're licky and anything possible. Because there's no way you can be home with some people and no to others, to some. And then I have nothing to do with no uptown and downtown and all live in a good era, because the era that you live in do not necessarily make you a good person.
Amen. But why people talking about areas and talking about that's how uptown people. I grew up uptown, went to prep school, all of that stuff. And that's how they behave. You have gangster. Look at the boy. Look at the white boy on TikTok that's called Ganja Class. It's fully uptown. Fully uptown.
And money and status. And when it becomes that, you become a hypocrite.
Alright, good night everyone. Let me explain why I said class. Auntie Macy, good night. Yes. You know what I mean, like, sister, like, even when me come out, when I came out being LGBT, coming up and going around, going to parties, I'm observe how the girls that behave. They turn style, they will like segregate, like I say, I'm not talking to them road girl there. You understand? But it's like the girls and we used to have the millions and the money and the car and the stuff, and they'll talk to them, they'll praise them. You understand? When I say classism, I'm not talking about TikTok in general. Look on even Anthony Miller. A lot of artists will do interview with that man because of his status and whatever. But if we go study, if me or Auntie Macy now go study media and I do interview, enough of them now go make an interview with them.
Well, I believe
that's the difference.
I believe if you're gay and you have on the hair and the makeup and the breast, they will sit with you too. But it's like when you're talking with that, it's like them don't know how to explain it out. Like, cause people and sometimes people cause it too, you know, because the way people go bash them and the way people go talk. Because if you don't
corporate,
just like a woman,
they want you to be shame but not feminine.
I believe as the bitch said, they will prefer if you're not down low or corporate, they will deal with you.
Because if you're not flamboyant and being out there and they're like, oh, you're easier to digest in society. And I think it's bias, and that's what most people are going for. So they don't have a genuine bias against, or they're not genuinely home. It's just selective to what to what society perceives them as. That's it. Because they're not genuinely
Perception.
Even here in Jamaica,
perception is everything.
Yeah, we know that. But even here in Jamaica, once them see one girl where I work, auntie me see one.
Alright, so many people, you see Jamaicans is like them select who and when to deal with certain type of people, and depends on how that person act, them we deal with or not deal with that person. The difference between Destiny and Perry is that Destiny fully out there. You know what I mean? We got all them something there. Perry, the way him act, people can say rare. Destiny can tell you what him do, how him do it, this and that. So enough people are gonna stay far from him because of something what him promote. You know what I mean? Alright, Perry, him act a certain type of way. I will know enough people act certain type of way, but we're not sure if them are good away there, because enough of them are from them small, them are act them way there. So enough people would have prefer Perry over Destiny. So as me say, some people, you know what I mean, choose who and when to deal with certain type of people, and the way how you move. You see what I say? So make we listen some more, my people.
Them see one game and a work, people we respect them, but them not respect a road girl with them pass, drive them car and pass and know so them out there so let them something there.
Virgo, look at this. Majority of call centers are run by majority of like the managers, the supervisors.
Yeah, they are corporate world.
Look at the hotel industry. I had a general manager and he was so gay, no on property, off property. But then you would classify it as phone game.
Mr. Boss, may I take it down because you not talk? Come off!
And I say enough of them class. Ooh, rare, like for instance, they will cut the guys that are from Puerto Rico or whatever, you know, them outside, them tongue pierce, them little pierce, and you cannot say anything about them. Yes,
come here.
Yet still, they will go.
You are going to the airport, and when you look at the immigration, it's a flamboyant gay man stamping your book or scanning your passport, and everybody's okay with it.
Alright, so why
everybody call them out? It's selective homophobia.
So why they can't just be normal then? Come down. So in other words,
it's not beneficial to them. They're not putting them neck out there for nothing.
I got a 2 cents to say. Mother, let me tell you what is going on. It's clear. Some gays are accepted and some are not. Money, greed, bio. You don't see that?
We don't say no sky. Money is a part of it.
Mixed up, boss.
Look,
I hold based on my analogy and based on my observation.
Look at the boy in Mobile.
That's how I see it too.
Bad man running on his side.
But
that is so unfair because
years now, the man put my face small upon the poster. My link such man and say, Bossy, you said respect, come show you. Show me you said respect now. A 5 year no mean at the game, you know. Put some respect on my name, man. Why my picture the smallest? Blood clatter, who tell me if I say that? How that boy I talk to so? That biggie that boy I talk to so? I want to tell you. Fuck. So. And my mother alone talk to me, so my father, you know. So me I look back in and I say, oh, the blood clot, so me I talk to so. My dog came up, man. Shit belly, go suck your mother, shit belly. Shit belly, go suck your mother. Me not like you. You make my mother pay for watch my profile. You tell Magnum don't sign me cause me a such man, copycat. You tell everybody say you call it done for my community. Things say done for my community that go beat me when me diss you. You call Jayden, things that me go violate me this year. You call my manager, tell my manager say me I call up your name, although me never call your name. Everything where you see such man I go through right now, man, him deserve it, brother. Big that. Big that. Think a joke? Don't like broke bread. Don't like me already, you know. You don't like nobody run on my team. Of course, everybody know who me at all. Big shit belly. Okay, mother. People me never want to say nothing, you know. But when I look into it, I mean, get the biggest fight from such man, bro. Bro, imagine you perform on a stage, on a whole stage show. And your mother outside have a pay for watch you perform. Your mother have a pay her 2,500 for watch her blood clot son perform. And such man want come tell me about him a real G, and him a real this, and him a real that. You fake it for the media. You can't fake it for me, pussy. You can't fake it. Such man tell corporate Jamaica, big corporate Jamaica, big company. You know who me sign to. You know who me sign to. You know who me sign to. Go up on my status. Go up on my page and you see who me ambassador for. Such man tell them, don't sign me because me a copycat. I do everything where theme artists do. Me a copycat. First thing me I'm a God by myself. My name Lali Ranks. My name Lali and no other people. So such man, yeah, worry about the wrong thing. You're the biggest fighter in this industry. People don't know, but me I go say it. I don't make trouble. I don't trouble nobody. First time I diss me, you make my mother watch me perform. Pay for watch me perform. You made my mother paid to watch me perform. 2, you, when me and you catch up, you call the Dan from my community, things say me that go run me and my family out of the community and beat me up. 3, you told corporate Jamaica not to sign me because me a copycat of another artist. 4, you are evil. You are evil. You don't believe in breaking bread. Once you hear upon a knock and you feel like it's beneficial to you, you're wrong go there. You are evil. And you know what the wickedest thing him do? Him sign all of the influential people them where him know have impact on people's career just to tell them not to do a dance routine for that man dance. Or not to make a video dancing to that man song. I don't even sue me and my money. Fuck them. Boy can't feed me. Frankie alive. You mad? My money, sue him for what? Keep that for him future endeavors.